Hello everybody. Today we'll start third chapter life processes in living organism part second. In this third chapter we studied the different types of life processes which are very important for human being to alive. We have studied various life processes in previous classes. All those life processes are very important or essential to each and every living organism. These life processes are, for example, nutrition, respiration, excretion, sensation, response. All these life processes are very important. Besides these life processes, one more life process occurs in living organism, and that is the reproduction. This reproduction means ज्याला मराठीमध्ये आपण पुनरुत्पादन म्हणतो. ही लाईफ प्रोसेस ह्युमन बीइंग मध्ये असेल किंवा ऑल लिव्हिंग ऑर्गॅनिझम्स मध्ये फार इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. व्हाय? This reproduction does not help the organism to remain alive, but it helps to maintain the continuity of the species of that organism. Not only for the alive, but also there is a continue the species. For this, the reproduction life process is very important. So, firstly, we studied the definition of reproduction. There is a definition: formation of new organism of same species by earlier existing organism is called as reproduction. It means formation of new species, formation of new organism of same species. If you take the example of dog, the formation of new puppy means it is from the dog species by the existing dog is called as reproduction. म्हणजे पूर्वी असलेल्या, एक्झिस्टिंग म्हणजे अस्तित्वात असलेल्या, सध्या अस्तित्वात असलेल्या एखाद्या ऑर्गॅनिझम कडून सेम ऑर्गॅनिझम त्याच स्पेसीजचा तयार करण्याची जी प्रोसेस आहे त्याला काय म्हटलं जातं? रिप्रोडक्शन. जी निर्मिती होते त्यास आपल्यासारखाच दुसरा सजीव निर्माण करण्याची प्रक्रिया म्हणजेच reproduction. Why this reproduction process is very important? Therefore, importance of this reproduction is one of the various important characteristic of this living organism, because the first reason is it is responsible for evolution of each species. What is the meaning of evolution? You studied in the first chapter. Evolution means there is a gradual change and development of species. So this reproduction is responsible for revolution of each species, means different changes, gradually changes are carried out in the developmental stages of every species. For this changes, this reproduction is responsible. So it is the one reason. Then second is this reproduction helps to maintain the continuity of the species of that organism. Maintain the continuity. Continuation is very important, otherwise the species will distinct. So when any species must be continue in the nature, this reproduction helps for this continuation. म्हणजे आपण बऱ्याच वेळा उदाहरण बघतो की काही ज्या स्पेसीज आहेत, मग त्या प्राण्यांच्या असतील, वनस्पतींच्या असतील, मायक्रो ऑर्गॅनिझम्सच्या असतील, तर या स्पेसीज जर नाही डेव्हलप झाल्या, त्यांच्यामध्ये नाही रिप्रोडक्शन झालं, तर काय होतं? त्या तिथं स्टॉप होतात, म्हणजे त्यांच्या स्पेसीची कंटिन्युटी होत नाही. आपण बऱ्याच वेळा एक्झाम्पल पाहिलं की एक्सटिंक्ट झालेले आहेत. एक्सटिंक्ट म्हणजे नामशेष झालेले आहेत. फॉर एक्झाम्पल डायनासोर असेल, इंडियन डोडो असेल. हे इंडियन डोडो जो बर्ड आहे, डक आहे, तो सुद्धा आज एक्सटिंक्ट झालेला आहे, बिकॉज ऑफ देर इज अ नो अनदर रिप्रोडक्शन और continuation of this species is stopped. So reproduction is very important to maintain the continuity of any living organism. So this is about the importance of reproduction. Then the next is method of reproduction. The different methods are there. In this living organism, reproduction occurs mainly by two two methods. Two methods are used by the organism for continuation of this species. The first very important method is asexual reproduction method, and second is a sexual reproduction method.